waves here at Typhoon Lagoon come up quick. They're about 6 feet. They are a steep drop, and you really need to know what you're doing. And surfing the wave pool at Disney's Typhoon Lagoon is amazing. You have $250, and I can't stress this enough. If you're gonna pay that money, be good at surfing. Don't not be good at surfing, because you'll waste your money. There's lots of things you could do with 250 bucks. You could buy a flat screen TV, take your girl out for a nice dinner, maybe fill up your car with gas. But how to know if you're an experienced surfer? Well, if your surfboard had cobwebs on it, like mine did before I grabbed it out of the garage, then maybe you're not. If you've recently come back from Australia, like this guy, then maybe you are. 6 a.m. and we are out here at Typhoon Lagoon at Disney, and apparently early in the morning, if you make a resi, you can surf the wild surf. All you need is a towel and your own board. I will be on the classic CC Rider. We're gonna see. They're gonna make waves today up to 5 or 6 feet. So I may hurt myself, but that's okay. That's why we sign a waiver. I will not sue Disney. The thing about being here and not at Cocoa Beach is there's no sharks. They could maybe add sharks, but like those cartoon ones. That would be, yeah. So just come up and say hi. Now that'd be something. That'd be cool. Be rad. So they're gonna pump out 50 rights, 50 lefts, and we're gonna line up 2 at a time. If I miss a wave, I have to do the paddle of shame. So far, 5 wave attempts. About 5 wipeouts. But I'm getting a good workout, so there's that. Experienced surfer, like a lot of these guys, you can come out and have fun and catch at least 10 waves. If you're a guy like me who's maybe 55, trying to relive his youth and hasn't been surfing in over a year, then there are these great snacks and coffee. If you're great at surfing, go ahead and spend the 250 bucks. Come here early, catch all the waves, and feel great about yourself. If you're not great at surfing, maybe spend that 250 bucks on a private cabana with a floaty that says Big Kahuna on it. You'll feel a lot better about yourself. Definitely something about watching the sunrise over the water park. Comes the wave, and he gets it. Oh! How you feeling about the day so far?
Great. Woohoo! Sea legs back.
The little Danishes they give you are great, so come for the surfing and stay for the little muffins, the little Mickey muffins. Really good.